many different events this year, including our annual science fair, as well as fundraising activities. This year, many of the students went on to the science fair regionals. We raised money for the Make-A-Wish Foundation to support a young boy, Wyatt, whose wish was to go to Disney World. We also participated in Penny's Vacations. As 5th graders, we get the honor of being the only students to have lockers and the only students who get to go to Camp Greenville. I would also like to take this time to thank all of the parents and faculty for helping us to make these events possible. Without the support of these adults, we could not have done all of the events that made this year great. I would also like to thank Ms. Cox, Ms. Yancey, and Mrs. Bunch for all of their work with Student Council. I would also like to wish all my classmates good luck in middle school as you continue the hard work you have demonstrated here. At this time, I would like to ask Dr. Cormack to come to the front for a special recognition. Dr. Cormack has seen this class through 6 years of academic success and has been a part of many others for 3 years before us. She is retiring this year, and we would like to take this moment to show our appreciation for her and her support of this school.